everyone, it's Tammy, and I am just going to do a really quick Peachy cheap haul. I wasn't going to film it, but then I thought, you know what, this is really cute stuff, and I wanted to give you guys the opportunity to see what Peachy Cheap can offer, and then maybe also what you can order online, I'm sure. But Peachy Cheap is a website. If you go to peachycheap.com, every day, weekday, they offer a discounted kit or set of something, washi tape or die cuts or paper pieces or a combination of things, and they also do stuff for planners. And this time they had one by Pebbles, which was a summer fun kind of a kit, and it came with all of these washies. So there's 6 different washies, and then these chipboard stickers that are adorable, these puffy stickers which are also adorable, this 6x6 paper pack, which is one-sided papers, and they're just super cute. And I think you get 2 of each. There's 24 designs and 36 papers, so I guess they might all be different. I don't even know, but look how cute those are. There are some that are repeats, I can see, but honestly, this is a great paper pack. And then here are some thickers, which are thick letters, and they're stickers. And then also I got these accent stickers. So I thought it was a really great deal. I don't remember exactly how much they were, but just check it out. I don't know why I have my candle sitting here. Oh, it smells so good. But yeah, check it out. Check out Peachy Cheap. And this will probably not be available anymore. I don't think they sell past kits. They might. I don't know. I haven't really ever looked at that. But if you guys are interested in that, you can check it out and see if they do. And let me know in the comment section below if you want. But definitely check them out, because you can find things cheaper than you would other places. I know that when I was searching for this, I thought, ooh, let me see how much this would be because I don't usually use the thickers. I might on this, since I have them, but I don't need them. So I often won't get all of everything if I am purchasing them singly. So I checked it out, and I couldn't get it as inexpensive as I could through them if I had just done a few of them. So it was cheaper for me to get all of them and go through Peachy Cheap than it would be for me to just buy the parts that I thought that I would use. So yeah, I thought that I would share that with you guys, so that if you guys are interested in looking at Peachy Cheap for yourself, go for it. And I don't know if they're international or not, so I'm sorry, but I don't get everything, obviously, but there are several days that I will find something that I feel like I need and purchase it. So, I mean, this is just really cute. I'm glad there's 2 pineapple pages. Oh, and 2 flamingo pages. That makes me happy. So, yeah, it's just really cute. And I don't know, maybe I'll do something with this kit as a kit and do a crafty day with you guys and see what we can use or something. I'm not sure yet, but I just thought it was really cute and wanted to share it. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that you guys check out Peachy Cheap, and I will talk with you guys soon. Oh, and this vlog is not sponsored. They don't know me from anybody. So thank you. Bye-bye.